How to add Spotify widget on MacBook. Now in this video, I'll show you two specific ways for you to be able to add a widget on Spotify using your MacBook. Now the very first thing that you can do is you can do this by playing the song. So for example, this one, while the song is playing, you can be able to see this option here is located below. You just have to tap or to click on that and then just simply allow everything and hit on confirm. That will automatically add the widget on your MacBook. Now, the other thing that you can do, for example, this one right here, you're running Spotify on your MacBook browser. Just simply minimize this for the meantime. What you want to have to do is to select all this link right here from your MacBook. Click and drag it into your home page from your MacBook widget area right here below. If you dropped it, it will automatically add it by itself into a widget. But as you can see, it is currently on a shortcut because I'm currently on Windows. So those are the two specific things for you to be able to add Spotify widget on MacBook.